trying to look at what to get right now for dinner. I mean, I'm trying to find the right aisle for meat. But figured I'd get a little content in. Yep, don't mind me. It's only a trainer. Alright, so I know school is one thing, but this is actually kind of scary. Looking for like a Dove caramel type thing. Okay. I'm trying to like not bother people. You know what I mean?
Online pickup. Telephone call on 237. Online pickup.
Walk through and bother
Telephone call
people,
on 237.
That'd just not be like a good move, you know what I mean? I don't want to get in people's way.
Allie, online pickup, please. Allie, online pickup.
Alright, we're good. Okay. I'm gonna do a frozen pizza for dinner at this point. I'm not lazy, guys. Alright, I'm gonna end it here just because I really don't want to walk around the whole time doing this. See you guys.